Yo, what's going on everybody? X Landscaper here, back with another video. And today, we're working on this car again. It's a 2012 Honda Civic. Problem is, I think my blower motor is taking a crap on me. So some of the symptoms are, it'll work. You'll put the heat of the AC on. It'll work for a little while, and about 20 minutes or so it like dwindles down to nothing. So originally I thought it was maybe the evaporator in the car for the AC, but it does it on heat as well. So I think it's not blowing out. It's a 2012, so let's load the parts cannon up and fire away. Alright, so to get going here, I'm gonna empty all the crap out of the glove box. Open it up. Let me take this stuff out quick. And I'll show you how to drop this thing. It's the same, I guess, process as changing your air filter, your cabin air filter. So there's one, you kind of need two hands. So let's see, I'll set you up here, see if you can see it. This goes DC like that. Your blower motor's right down here. See right there? Should be a couple Phillips. Here's your cabin air filter right here. I changed it. It was dirty, so maybe it was kind of straining the blower motor. But it's a 2012, and nothing lasts forever. So it's got 281,000 miles on it. So part wasn't too bad. It was like 40 bucks, 50 bucks from Rock Auto. So hopefully it fixes it. But I'll show you how to change this thing. Alright, so looking up under here, I don't know if you guys can see, there is, it's going to be hard to film and do this, but I don't know, can you guys see this? There's one, two, three screws here. 1, 2, 3, and a flathead fits in them. So hopefully, I think this is all that's to it, is just unscrew these. I might have to actually get a smaller one or a Phillips. Just unscrew these and this whole blower housing should drop down. So let me get a Phillips and I'll try to pop these down. Alright, so after struggling for a minute, I discovered it's a Torx. It's a T20. So we'll get up in here. And it's a kind of a hard angle because you're upside down in the passenger floorboard. But I don't know if you guys could see or not, because I can't see the camera. But it's those three bolts, those three screws rather, that I showed you. Yeah, you could already see this whole thing starting to drop down. You know, I'll put this one screw back just to hold it. And it's like I said, this is a tough angle because you're literally under the passenger kick panel, under the dashboard. So you can only get one hand in here. I'm upside down. I think putting this thing on is going to be a real fun treat for all of us. But is there another screw here? I can't see. thing is loose. I think there's one more screw right here, but I can't freaking see it. All right, so I got that last screw is in here, the one screw right there, the 3 outer screws, and here we are, we're home free. Ta-da! I said it's easy, but pain in the ass at the same time. All right, so we'll just unclip this connection right here. There we go, and the blower motor's out. All right, so here's our new blower motor from Rock Auto. There's the part number if you guys want to take a screenshot of that. This is the old one. You just got to take this, looks like it doesn't come with it, this little circle piece here. This has to come off and get put on here with one screw. Like I said, see that one screw there? That was the pain in the butt screw that we couldn't really see and get into. And then that 3rd screw. Actually, I don't even need to take that off. So it looks like it's just these 2 screws here. You could probably just get away with just this one. So, alright, we'll take this off, swap it on there, and then get this blower motor right back in there. Alright, so this piece is back on. I just gotta clip this connector into there, and then we could throw this thing back up. I'm gonna need 2 hands. Once I get one screw started, I'll bring you guys back. So it looks like this clip is in the way here. I'm gonna have to move that out of the way, go to the other side, and or even possibly remove it. Yeah, I don't think we could use this piece. It doesn't look like. Yeah, this shroud, if you're using the aftermarket thing, the shroud's not gonna, unless you modify the shroud, it just holds the wire. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to use this thing. Interesting. That's what it means, aftermarket parts. So, well, that's good to know. So this piece, you're not gonna be able to use it. I mean, you could probably leave it just like that, but it's gonna rattle around, so I'm just gonna take it off. Oh well. Yeah, one more screw back here. Said it's tight back here, but that's it. There's only 3 screws that hold this whole thing on. Like I said, this thing, I'm gonna have to take this off, unfortunately, but it's just a shroud. So all right, so see that shroud, I had to take that off because that hump right there is not on the old one. So you can't get the shroud on, but it looks like it just protects the wire. So I really don't have passengers in this car anyway, so it doesn't even matter. Like I said, it's just my commuter car. All right, so let's go put the tools away and we'll try this thing out and see if it works any better. All right, let's see. All right, we got some air. Blowing. Can't say that that was the problem, because it was doing the same thing, and then, like I said, about 20 minutes or so, it would drop down to like a real light trickle of air. So it's blowing pretty strong now, so I guess we'll see in like 20 minutes. I'll leave it on. AC's on. Alright, I guess we'll come back in a couple minutes and see if this solved the problem. Alright, well, it's been about 15 minutes or so, and check this out. I don't know if you guys can hear that wind, but she's working. Hell yeah. I guess we'll see what happens on a long drive, but so far so good. We got all our, it's high. I don't know if you can hear the blower stepping down. It's off. Yeah, it's going. Seems to be going good. Sweet. Alright, well, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I hope I was able to help someone out. Quick, easy fix if you're having some problems with your blower motor. Like I said, hopefully that's the problem. It seems to be working, so I think that was it. You know, this car's a old beat up 2012 Civic with 281,000 miles on it. So maybe it was time for a change. Alright, anyways, if you guys got any questions, drop it down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.